Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and this is the Alienware m17, the thinnest and lightest 17-inch gaming laptop ever. The Alienware m17 is only 5.79 pounds, which is 40% lighter than its predecessor, and is built with premium materials including magnesium alloy and copper. Performance is delivered with up to 8th generation Intel Core i9 processors and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Max-Q design graphics. For the 17.3-inch display, you can choose up to a 60Hz anti-glare IPS display with Full HD resolution or 60Hz anti-glare display with UHD resolution. The UHD version has an sRGB 100% color gamut, which is great for gamers who are also content creators. On the right, there are two USB Type-A 3.1 ports, and on the left, there's a lock slot, Ethernet port, another USB Type-A port, and audio jack. There's more on the back. You get an HDMI 2.0 port, USB-C Thunderbolt 3, Alienware graphics amplifier port, and power jack. The Alienware m17 is designed with their new M-series keyboard featuring 1.4mm travel, 4 zones of RGB lighting, and a numeric keypad. For storage, you can get a dual configuration with options up to 2TB PCIe SSD. You also have RAM options up to 32 gigs. Alienware is known for optimizing component cooling for performance. The m17 pulls in cool air from the bottom and top vents while exhaling with the rear and side vents. The Alienware m17 will be available in two colors, Epic Silver and Nebula Red. It goes on sale starting January 29th from $1,649 US. Let us know what you think of the m17. Is this your next gaming laptop? Let us know in the comments. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.